Hola, hola, ¿cómo están mis immerse preschool online families? I'm so happy that you are here. My name is Anna Jaworski, also known as Miss Anna. I am going to be the Spanish teacher for your child. Yes, just for being part of our wonderful preschool, you have access to a free Spanish curriculum, a program that is going to help your child learn the ABCs, numbers, shapes, days of the week, months of the year, greetings, animals, zoo animals, and different more topics that we're going to be working together with hands-on activities. We're going to be singing a lot. We're going to be working on crafts together, and we're going to be immersed in a second language. And you have access to this Spanish program just for being an awesome member of our preschool. How about that? Now, I'm sure you already know that anything that is being taught to a child before the age of 5 is going to stay in your child's brain. That's why they always tell you you have to read to your child, you have to speak to your child, you have to increase their vocabulary, you have to increase their knowledge. Because when you are doing so, when they are little up to the age of 5, everything that is recorded by them is going to stay in their brain for the rest of their life. So this is a really, really good news for you, because now that we're going to be teaching them a second language, in this case, Spanish, this information is going to stay with your child for the rest of their life. Yes. And if you're going to be taking part of the class, you're going to be learning too. How's that? Well, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'll let you know I'm going to be here for you during the school year. I'm going to be through our videos and our recorded classes, interacting with you and your child and learning a second language. So thank you so much, and I welcome you for being part of our preschool. And if you are still one of those families, one of those mommies who are still thinking about it, this is the right time for you. Make that decision, make the commitment of exposing your child to a beautiful preschool program and a second language at an early age. Thank you so much, and I will see you inside of our program. Adios.